going on, guys? This is Smitty with Modern Pro Polish with the tip and trick of the day. If your pad is not spinning, then you're not getting any results out of your machine. If you pay attention to your backing plate, you should see it spinning and oscillating at the same time. Many of us just stare at the back of the machine and not the backing plate, and we just hear noise and we think that something's happening on the paint. But if it's not spinning, then you're not getting the desired results. So if you're just getting started and you're having troubles with keeping the machine spinning in certain areas, you could get a forced rotation machine as opposed to a random orbital, and that forced rotation machine is going to continue to spin at all times, no matter what angle you keep it at. As long as that machine is running, it will do exactly what you desire it to do. So always pay attention to your backing plate, make sure it's spinning, and if not, you need to readjust or get a different machine in the area that you're trying to work. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. The paint is waiting on you. Peace. If you guys are looking at learning more about paint correction and taking your craft to another level, turn your system into consistency and join us at the Pro Polishers Academy Crew app, where we're going to have daily chats and we're going to have discussions about your questions and whatever it is that you may have challenges with. The first 100 to enroll will be free. We pay for the system out of pocket, so we are literally paying for you to come in and learn. So don't take it for granted. Get in there. We're going to have question and answers, tips and tricks every day, and we're going to have weekly phone calls. And my good friend Jose Castro from Refined Auto Paint Restoration will be there as well. And this guy's a beast at what he does. He works on six-figure classic cars to six-figure exotic cars, and he knows his stuff. Don't take it for granted. Instagram is cool, but it'll only take you so far. You can get in here in the Crew app and ask us your specific questions, and we'll be happy to help you right away. So let's build the community and see where it takes us. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.